Welcome to the Digital Dojo, where today we're diving deep into the world of app customization with APK Editor. Whether you're a budding developer or a curious techie, get ready to unlock the full potential of your Android applications. Let's get started. APK, or Android Package Kit, is the file format used by the Android operating system for distribution and installation of mobile apps. With APK Editor, you can modify these files to change app features, remove ads, or even translate apps into your preferred language. APK Editor comes in two flavors, Simple and Full Edit. Simple Edit lets you replace files within the APK, perfect for changing images or sounds. Meanwhile, Full Edit gives you the reins to completely revamp the app's structure. It's like having a magic wand for your apps. Ever thought of changing an app's background or tweaking its layout? With APK Editor, it's all possible. To start using APK Editor, download it from a reliable source. Once installed, choose an APK file to edit. The app's user-friendly interface guides you through the process. Whether you're renaming an app, changing its icon, or even removing unwanted permissions. A word of caution, editing APK files can affect app functionality or even render it unusable. Always back up the original APK file before making any changes. Ensure you're not infringing on copyrights or violating user agreements. And remember, editing apps for unethical purposes is not only frowned upon, but also illegal. APK Editor opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your Android experience. Whether you're looking to personalize your apps or delve into the basics of app development, APK Editor is a fantastic starting point. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity and start editing. Liked what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, keep exploring and happy editing.